Kevin Parkins from Blair, Scotland. I've got a fleet of around 140 vehicles, varying sizes from 12-ton tippers all the way up to 32-ton high abs and winter spreaders. We rely on DAF quite heavily in the winter. We have a huge commitment for winter and keeping the roads open in the winter. I remember there was a particularly bad New Year's Day when an awful lot of our fleet were out. We had a vehicle that went down with a broken spring. We phoned that through, and not only did they come out and recover the vehicle, they managed to get a spring, put the spring, fit it, and get that vehicle back on the road in the same day, which for me was superb.
My name is Gary Dredge. I've been GID Transport. I've been an owner-operator for about 30 years. I've always picked DAFs for the last 26 years. Really enjoyed owning them. Really good backup service, especially the DAFaid. When you go out on a Monday morning, you tend to always think you've got a fitter with you all the time. So it's been well worth having DAFaid. Got a good experience of DAFaid. It was bringing a lot of electronic goods for the NEC in Birmingham. As I pulled up at the gate, I could smell antifreeze. So I booked in and everything was okay, parked up, and the guy said he'd be about half to an hour before he could tip the trailer. I phoned DAFaid straight away. Within 20 minutes, the DAFaid fitter, he must have been quite local, I suppose, but within 20 minutes he was there. Within that time, the guy said to me, right, we can position your trailer inside the shed, and if you take your truck outside the shed, the DAFaid fitter can look at it while we're tipping the trailer. By the time they tipped the trailer, they took about an hour to tip it, and the DAFaid fitter was there, all done, cab down, so we're literally no time lost, back in the truck, hooked on and away.
I'm Joe Humphrey, Managing Director at Cross Country Carriers Limited. We're a big DAF customer. Most memorable DAFaid would be a trailer wheel bearing at Kettering, which DAFaid responded to and had back on the road within 3 hours of their first initial call. We wouldn't use anyone else other than DAFaid.